All right, so the problems with this clutch were it would get hot and it would slip pretty bad. Um, so when I pulled it out, it looked like brand spanking new. So what I did was I put the clutch back in the car, put the bell housing back in the car, and I took the TIC performance measurements, which is B is this measurement. So you depress this and you measure from the face of the throwout bearing to the mounting surface. And the other measurement is from the bell housing mounting surface here to the fingers. So you take that measurement, and typically it's a gap. You want it to be clearanced between eighth inch to a quarter, more or less. And if it's more than that, you have to shim it, which Monster is nice enough to offer up. This is like a 150 thou shim. So typically there's a big gap there, and you always have to shim them. And if you don't, then you've got poor engagement on the other side. So my engagement was from the last maybe half inch of travel, 1 inch of travel. So what was happening was with this all the way depressed, you were having the throwout bearing push on these fingers. The interference was like 55 thou-ish. So my clutch was never fully engaged when I was driving it. History on this, I've had this car since like last July, only put about 2,000 miles on it, so I knew the clutch was a little funky, but I didn't think that it would be as bad as it was. So we're gonna throw this new clutch on and see how she drives.